Jacoran.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Action.
Just love. All right, call it.
Action.
I miss you.
Deal with me.
Hey! Do that.
Good morning, my beautiful people. So what's another word for showing now? Bye. Hello.
Hello, beautiful people.
Hi, beautiful people. Come close. Come close. Can you see?
Something is cooking.
What is cooking?
It's for them.
Akara!
And
this is special for you guys to say thank you for watching Eniebere
and Ikole.
Yes.
So we're making akara for you. Anywhere you meet my bloodline, Jide Obono, on the street, on the road, anywhere, just ask for your akara.
You'll get
he has
it.
to give you.
You'll
if he
get
doesn't give you, come and report him to me.
But you have to be someone that has seen this movie.
Yes, and we'll ask you questions if you get it.
No akara for you.
Yes, if you don't get it, no akara for you.
So let's get straight into it. So we're gonna soak it for. I don't like soaking it for too long. Just
okay.
Whatever
time. You say. Here, you are the pro. You are the champion.
Yes, so
trust me.
Just few.
You are taking this.
Few minutes.
It's a pepper day.
Yes, so
we want to pepper.
Okay.
We want to pepper those who have not seen.
So let's start peeling.
Eniebere and Ikunle.
So let's
Peel. Ilé àwa dùn, ọkọ ló ń ilé àwa dùn, ọkọ ló ń ṣàkàrà. Ọkọ ló ń ṣàkàrà. Ìyàwó ló ń. My bloodline.
Yeah.
Please, can we talk about?
About what?
About one crazy man who is not a doctor. Let's talk about Ikule. Let's talk about you cannot.
Let's talk about Eniebere.
Let's talk about. I was a victim. Of.
Victim.
Okay, let's talk about.
Oh my God.
Let's talk about. Oh my.
Let's. Okay.
People have been asking me how I've been coping with you. That how come I feel safe around you?
But you know that's
right now. I'm not sure if I'm safe again. No.
You are very safe now. That's bad. That's bad. You know your bloodline. This is your bloodline.
Hey, my bloodline.
Yeah.
So how about we blend plantain?
Well,
and I'm just thinking it
for me, I'm not against. I'm not. Mr. Aki. Kani mo mọ̀ pé òun ló pè tẹ́lẹ̀ ni máa sọ pé kó bá mi máa mú aṣọ mi bọ̀.
Go and wear your apron. Come and join me. Come and make akara. We are making akara. We are making akara.
Oh no.
Oh yeah. What on, ìwọ ló máa jẹ àkàrà. Can you even cook?
I can cook.
Can you make akara?
But I can cook, but not like Jide.
He's a pro.
For me.
But can you make akara?
I can make akara.
Have you attempted?
Yes.
Did you come out fine? Who is your witness?
You need a witness.
This is the moment of. Is it moment of disappointment or moment of truth or moment of confession? Okay, see, we tried out 3 different blenders. None is able to pass the test. We don't know if it's the fact that we are using.
I feel bad right now. I don't know. Maybe he's inverter or something. I don't know.
But even at that.
I don't know what the problem is. 3 blenders.
No.
So now we're going the local way.
Yes.
What we abandoned.
Yes, and funny enough, before we started it, we were actually laughing at the situation that while growing up, our parents used to send us
eating a lot of
rubbish. We actually said it that why were we eating
from the commercial?
Yes, the local grinding machine. We actually spoke against that, and then now we are going back to
Yeah.
If you're
Carry that one.
if you're a company and you trust your blender, send
We
to
need
us.
blender, very strong blender that will
Very
blend
strong,
Tiger Nut. You
very-
know all those blenders that we
strong. Send
see
to us,
that
let's-
blend stone. blend- yeah, let's go.
Carry it on your head. We are going to the local market. Bye bye. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back.
Time to fry.
It's energy. I'm already tired.
This is the butter, this is the pepper. Me, I don't do too much drama. We just salt. I don't like to put material.
Okay. I
That's
actually
yeah.
don't like salt. Yo, I'm watching, I'm learning.
Are you excited about this?
I'm very excited now. This is the moment I like, the moment where I get to.
My life, me, I know one Tiara. What's my name? I'ma say that again. Daily, I'm getting paid. Every day, it's an holiday. On the road, tell them to clear the road.
I'm supporting, no. I'm supporting. I'm not just looking, no. Everything, no. Bloodline, me don't share minimum support.
To be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny.
So nice.
I have waited
Let me get.
patiently. Vision, though I believe.
But once you give our fan, like, get on.
This is your tongue. I think your tongue.
And you need to taste it to know whether it's nice or not before giving you guys.
Yes, and to be sure that it's safe and healthy.
You know, I've heard of Crazy before, but this Jide Awobona's movie, Ikunle, is a discovery. Because what in the movie is that? That movie is a rage bait. I don't know why I've been watching movies that just rage bait me these days. And I will take the bait and I will rage. Because what the F? First of all, can we say that Gbade is a full-on psychopath? No discussions. That's my conclusion. We are ending this day. He's a psychopath. I knew this guy was a psychopath from the beginning, but I just thought, okay, let's give him an excuse that maybe he's just violent. He's just a not so nice person, or probably he's just so obsessed with his wife, right? When he was attacking people for what they say to his wife or what they do to his wife, I was like, this guy is a bit violently obsessive about his wife, right? Then they started to move on. I was like, no, this guy is a psychopath. You manipulated your wife into aborting to the extent that they now had to take out her womb. As if that is not enough. You went to go and take a child. Force her to be your surrogate mother. If you ever have it in your mind that that woman herself, Uraola, is a nice person or she's considerate, you are wrong. That one self is second in command to the psychopath. If not because of what she wants to gain. Don't you have a mind of your own? You can clearly see that this guy, the action he's taking is not in any way favorable to anybody but himself. He likes to be in control. He's manipulative. And you know that to the extent that you had to lose your womb to realize that. But you let it go on for long. And that is why I say that most of the men that you see become the beast that you see today, women enable them. I have so many questions asked. Why didn't you go ahead with surrogacy if you know that you're going to end up using body double? So would everybody know that she will not be able to give birth? They will be asking questions. But you were able to use a body double when you kidnapped a girl to use her as a surrogate. Make it make sense. But if not because you're a psychopath, why didn't you just go through the normal way? Why were you the one single-handedly handling everything about the pregnancy? You want to do the pregnancy test to know if it is negative or positive. You are the one that is researching to know how you are going to deliver the baby, to do the antenatal. And I'm like, oh my God, this guy is crazy. A point where I was like, what the fuck? Where two of them, Ibidu and Uraola, were sharing their stories, where she shared how she lost her womb, and the other one shared how she landed into their house in the first place due to her bad experience as a child. And she now told her that if she should help her carry this child to term, she's going to help her fulfill her dream. Why didn't you people start with that? Why didn't you try to convince that girl with that? See if she would accept. To the extent that this nigga had to have the audacity to want to do a surgery on this girl. Oh my God. Ta ló kọ script yìí ná? Ẹ kọ́kọ́ ti ẹ̀pẹ́ nìyẹn wá lọ. No, ta ló ti ẹ̀ ní idea story yìí ná? And I like the part where they put an escape in the story, because obviously, how would you kidnap somebody and that person will not even at least try to escape for once in the movie? It was so heartbreaking that he caught her, actually. When I knew that this guy doesn't even have good plans for the girl, he said it seriously, but death is already in the talk, not tele. I said, this guy is not going to survive. But at least, thank God, the woman had the audacity and the conscience to actually take decision to take that girl to the hospital, even though the way the film ended itself, we never know whether the girl survived or not. We don't even know. And I think there's going to be part 2 watching how the movie ended. Like, there's a lot to learn, to see how violent human beings can be, wicked human beings can be, the signs to see in a man or in a partner before you decide to go ahead with them. Anyways, Ikunle is showing on Jide Awobona TV. Just have the mind that you're gonna feel so sad, pity, and angry while watching this movie.
Hi, good morning. Jide Awobona here. Well, to start with, I want to say thank you to those of you that have seen Ikunle, to those that are supporting by sharing with friends and family and recommending to friends. I want to say thank you. To the reviewers, thank you. To the reviewers that are not saying too much and that are not revealing too much and also directing people and recommending their projects, I want to say a very big thank you. Then those of you on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube, this is for you. Let me start with the YouTube people. You say you're reviewing a movie. This is not the first time, more. It's not the first time, but I just choose to talk about it now. I know we all want to make money, but you can't reap where you didn't sow. You shouldn't have that intention of reaping where you didn't sow. You say you're reviewing my movie. Your thumbnail is saying Ikunle Part 2. That's deceit. You're deceiving people. That's one. I saw one. Oh my God. You said you're reviewing my movie. You took pictures of all the scenes and you were narrating the stories on them. You have over 1 hour. And the last time I checked, you had over 100,000 views. And the most disappointing parties, I see comments. Over 200,000 people commenting. Don't you people know Jide Awobona TV where you can see this movie? So can you now see, I do not really blame these people. I'm blaming you, our audience, that are engaging on their posts. Child, I'm sorry. You're supporting them. You're encouraging them. This is piracy. You're reviewing my movie, you're saying part 1, part 2, changing thumbnail, using different people. It's not fair. I saw some of my colleagues posting something and laughing about it, like, where did you think they are promoting your movie? You think so? You think that is what is giving you the numbers? If your movie is not successful, they won't do that. Yes, so don't believe it's what they are doing that is helping your movie. Your movie is already made. You've made a brilliant piece of art. If it does not have that value, if it does not have that grace, they are not going to associate with it. That's for the YouTube people. For TikTok. Because these are monetized channels. So I know that you guys know what you're doing. Fine, you want to review the movie, you want to talk about, you want to encourage, okay, still too much, still to make money. Just talk about it briefly. Maybe a short clip that I post